what's up, people? This is your host, Brian David Delaney Starr, Brian Starr, Ian Starr, Wise Man X, The Purifier. And I'm standing in front of the Men's Wearhouse in Money-Making Manhattan. And I want to let you guys know something. And believe me, the Men's Wearhouse is quite a shop. A lot of really, really wonderful clothes, and you know, they're not that expensive. You need to check out the Men's Wearhouse in your local town, because I found some wonderful deals, fantastic clothing. I mean, the suits, they have sales going on. I'll just show you the storefront window here. All right, there you go. Buy one suit and get the second one for $100. That's right, the Men's Wearhouse. Let's hit the Men's Wearhouse logo. There you go, Men's Wearhouse. Okay, you guys want to check it out? Men's Wearhouse. They got the suits inside. I would take you inside, guys, but you'll have to do that for yourself. They got shoes, clothes. Men's clothes are fantastic. They have special colognes, and you want to come to the Men's Wearhouse, you're going to get a great deal. The guys are fantastic. It's all pro. Guys, check it out, the Men's Wearhouse. Okay, you heard it on the StarQuest channel. This is your host, Brian Starr. Thank you for watching.